Imagine a structure so massive, so impossibly vast, that it shouldn't exist in our universe at all. Astronomers scanning the deep cosmos recently detected a formation stretching billions of light years across, over 10,000 times larger than a typical galaxy cluster. And here's the most disturbing part. According to our best cosmological models, a megastructure like this should be physically impossible. So what exactly is this great structure? How did something this enormous assemble in a universe that was supposed to be smooth, uniform, and well-behaved on large scales? And if this discovery is real, what hidden rules of physics has the universe been quietly following without us noticing? Today, we're diving into a cosmic puzzle that may force us to rewrite the story of how everything is arranged on the grandest scales. Before we go deeper, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Deep Space Explained for more cosmic revelations, because the answers hiding behind this structure might change how you see the universe forever. It all began with deep field surveys designed to map distant quasars, hyperluminous black hole engines so far away that their light has traveled more than 12 billion years to reach us. Researchers expected these quasars to be sprinkled randomly across the sky, following the cosmological principle that says the universe is roughly the same in all directions on large scales. But that's not what they saw. Instead, the quasars appeared to cluster together in a huge arc, stretching across nearly 1/5 of the observable universe. At first, scientists assumed it had to be an error, maybe a calibration problem, a selection effect, or a trick of statistics. Yet as more data arrived from multiple telescopes, including the VLT and Pan-STARRS, the pattern refused to disappear. The arc was real. The quasars really were tracing something gigantic. If they were following an underlying structure, then we weren't just looking at a random arrangement. We were staring at one of the largest organized formations ever recorded in deep space. As astronomers analyzed the distribution more closely, it became clear that this wasn't just an oversized cluster or a single filament. It resembled a cosmic wall, an immense curved formation made of galaxies, quasars, and dark matter halos, all interconnected by the gravity of an invisible scaffold. Structures like the Sloan Great Wall and the Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall were once thought to define the upper boundary of how big cosmic architecture could be. But this great structure appears to surpass them all. Imagine a frozen wave of matter stretching across the young universe, a colossal ridge carved into the fabric of space-time itself. The light we see from these quasars was emitted when the cosmos was still very young, just a fraction of its current age. Yet even then, this monolithic formation was already in place. That raises a haunting question. How did the universe build something this vast so quickly when our models say everything should still have been relatively smooth? The true tension with modern cosmology appears when we compare this structure's size to what theory allows. In the Standard Model, no structure larger than roughly 1.2 billion light-years should exist. Beyond that scale, the early universe's rapid inflation and subsequent expansion should have stretched and smoothed out matter so thoroughly that enormous clumps simply couldn't form. But this great structure spans several billion light-years, smashing through that theoretical limit by a factor of 3 or more. If the observations hold, it means either inflation didn't work exactly as we think, or something else overruled its smoothing power in this region. Did the early universe contain special zones where matter clumped more strongly than expected? Or are we missing a key ingredient in the recipe for cosmic structure, some hidden field, forgotten force, or early universe event that left behind this colossal fingerprint? One of the first suspects is dark matter, the invisible substance that outweighs normal matter and shapes the large-scale structure of the cosmos. Dark matter forms a cosmic web, a vast network of filaments and nodes where galaxies gather like dewdrops on an unseen spider's thread. But even the most extreme simulations of dark matter behavior struggle to produce a structure of this magnitude. To reach such a scale, you would need regions of exceptionally high dark matter density in the infant universe, far beyond what current theories predict. Some researchers wonder if dark matter might not be as simple and passive as we assume. What if dark matter can interact with itself in subtle ways, forming long, dense filaments that guide normal matter into immense formations? If the great structure is riding along one of these hidden highways, then it might be our first real clue that dark matter has richer physics than we ever imagined. Another possibility reaches even deeper into the universe's origin story: cosmic strings. These are hypothetical, ultra-thin defects in space-time, like cracks that formed when the young universe underwent rapid phase transitions, similar to how ice cracks as it freezes. A single cosmic string, stretching across space, could gravitationally attract matter along its path, seeding enormous structures as the universe expanded around it. If a cosmic string once passed through this region, it might have laid down the blueprint for the great structure we see today. For decades, physicists have searched for signs of cosmic strings in gravitational lensing and in the cosmic microwave background, but nothing conclusive has emerged. If this arc of quasars matches the kind of pattern a string would create, we might finally have indirect evidence that these relics of creation are real, and that they quietly shaped parts of the universe on unimaginable scales. Some cosmologists push the speculation even further, beyond a single universe. In certain multiverse models, our universe is just one bubble in a vast cosmic foam. When two such bubbles collide, they can leave scars, large-scale imprints in the matter distribution or in the cosmic microwave background. A giant arc or wall of quasars could be the fossil of such a collision, frozen into place by cosmic expansion. Imagine another universe brushing against ours in the earliest moments of existence, sending a shockwave rippling through space-time and subtly reorganizing matter into an enormous curved pattern. If this idea is correct, the great structure might be more than just a random anomaly. It could be the first macroscopic evidence that our universe once interacted with another, and that the cosmos beyond what we can see is far more crowded and dynamic than we ever dared to think. Even without invoking other universes, the geometry of the great structure itself is deeply suspicious. The odds of hundreds of quasars just happening to line up in a smooth, coherent arc by sheer chance are incredibly low. So low that most statisticians would reject the coincidence explanation outright. Patterns like this usually require a guiding physical process. In nature, large-scale order often appears when systems pass through extreme conditions: shock waves, rapid expansions, symmetry breaking, or phase changes. The shape of this structure may be a preserved echo of some dramatic event in the early universe, a fossil from a time when physics operated in a regime we have never been able to reproduce in laboratories. If we can decode its pattern, we might uncover entirely new clues about what happened in the first fractions of a second after the Big Bang. If confirmed, the existence of the great structure would have far-reaching consequences. Our picture of inflation might need revision, extended models of dark matter might become necessary, and the comforting idea that the universe is uniform on the largest scales could crumble. Instead of a smooth, statistically predictable cosmos, we might live in a universe with vast regions of special structure, shaped by rare events or hidden physics. That doesn't just affect abstract theory. It would change how we interpret every large-scale survey, every map of galaxies, and every measurement of cosmic background radiation. The universe would become less like a featureless fog and more like a carefully sculpted landscape, full of ridges, walls, and scars, stretching across unimaginable distances. So what is the great structure truly? A cosmic wall anchored by dark matter? The wake of a cosmic string slicing through space-time? A scar left by a collision with another universe? Or a phenomenon we don't even have the language to describe yet? Whatever the final answer, This discovery forces us to confront how little we really know about the deep architecture of reality. It reminds us that the universe is not just a scattering of galaxies in empty space, but a vast, interconnected design filled with patterns we are only beginning to recognize. If this colossal formation is just the first of many we have yet to detect, then our current cosmic map is only a rough sketch of something far more intricate. If you enjoy exploring mysteries like this, make sure to subscribe to Deep Space Explained, like this video, and share it with someone who loves the cosmos as much as you do. Our journey into the unknown is only just beginning.